Sir, thank you very much for giving this opportunity, sir.
Very briefly, please.
Sir, I am just fourth, sir.
Briefly.
Sir, the expert committee constituted by Honorable Railway Minister, it has said that railway system is almost on the verge of collapse. In such a situation, there was the expectation that at least the budget and the budgetary process will be taken by the government seriously. But I can say that the UPA...
Please order, please. Please,
UPA
I request all
government,
the members to be silent and listen to his speech.
from 2004, it is converted into a political tool. This time, it has been made as a tamasha. Laughter show ban gaya. For the first time, we used to hear trains used to be derailed. For the first time in the independent history of India, budget is derailed. Rail budget is derailed. This is the situation of the railway budget this year. From 1947 to after 1947, in the 60 years, just 10,000 kilometer additional line is added, new line. More than 54 years, Congress has ruled, and this credit goes to, naturally it goes to Congress. Sir, PM said it is a forward-looking budget. But after a person who has presented the forward-looking budget, he has been disgracefully sent out. Okay, that is their internal matter. But my question is, we are discussing about the budget, but we don't know what proposal of these budgets are going to be retained and what proposals are going to be scrapped. I think for the first time, we are discussing budget. We don't know what government is going to say on the budget which is presented by the minister, and now he is not ready, he is not in a position to reply because of their political problem, political mismanagement, I can say, sir. Sir, in the 11th plan, at one point of time, government is telling, Railway Ministry is telling that we are having the crunch of fund. In the 11th plan, total expenditure outlay was 2,33,289 crores. The outcome budget shows the actual expenditure could be 1,92,291 crores. Almost 5 crores shortfall. I asked Honorable Muniappaji, who is a very good man, I asked his explanation. When you are telling that with all this budgetary support, why 5 lakhs rupees in last 5 years you could not able to spend? I came to know that through their own source, through the railway zonal office, that GM powers have been withdrawn, that if it is money is sanctioned to particular zone in for one project, for any reason if that project is not, it could not take place, previously there was a provision that he could transfer that in the same zone, that money to other project. That powers is withdrawn because they want that less money should be spent because they don't have funds to pay the salary of the railway employees. In last 8 years, if at all their achievement is the railway is on the verge of almost collapse. My serious question to Honorable Minister here is through you, sir. Sam Pitroda committee has recommended for 3,96,000 crores for the modernization, and Kakodkar committee for the safety project, it has recommended for 1 lakh crore. From where do you get this money? This has never been spelled out. 95 to 96% is your operational ratio. With this, when you do not have money to pay the salary, what are your sources? I am really surprised. And also then Minister Trivedi ji said, if budgetary support is given, then only we can achieve this. If budgetary support is not there, I think you are going to put the safety of the passenger at the stake. I firmly urge the government not to do this, take some stringent measures and see that safety has been given priority. Sir, now I come to my state, Karnataka, and my constituency. Muniappaji will feel bad, sir, but I am constrained to say, Karnataka, though 14 projects have been sanctioned, it is all under state cooperation. No single project is sanctioned out of total railway fund, and also for the ongoing project of 15 projects which have been undertaken by Indian Railways. The need for all those to complete is around 7,000 crore. For example, I will quote here, Davangere, Hubli-Bengaluru, on Hubli-Bengaluru Road, the cost project of the Chitradurga-Davangere is 427 crore. For that, allotment is 1 crore. If at all, in the same fashion money is given, it will take 400 years to complete. 1 crore is given. And he has said, Honorable Muniappaji, after the press conference, after the budget, in a press conference, he has said, this is the highest allocation for the Karnataka, that is 608 crores. His statement is here with me. I would very humbly tell Sri Muniappaji that what is allocated is not important. What is spent is important. Second thing, you have given quite more last time. Comparatively, I am speaking in comparative terms, you have given quite more last time. In 2011-12, total allocation to the Karnataka, your statement, then at that time you had made 1,278 crores was allocated to Southwestern Railway. But the revised budget was 888 crores. Subsequently, ultimately spent was 784 crores. Why this? You could have given, even I have not considered some part of which is under the South Central Railway. Sir, I firmly urge you, Muniappaji, through Honorable Chairperson, that kindly look into this and allocate more funds. Sir, now as far as trains are concerned, I am thankful to you. You have given total 10 trains for the Karnataka. But unfortunately, almost out of 7 trains, only one train is regular train, that is daily train. Another one is 6 days, all are weekly trains. And that is true. They start from Bengaluru and it doesn't pass through major part of the Karnataka. You are not even one single train. Sir, I had requested you, one Samparka Kranti Express. What was the concept of the Samparka Kranti when you announced the Samparka Kranti train? That connectivity between state and central capital. Our Samparka Kranti, which runs from Bengaluru, once if it starts from Bengaluru, it doesn't, after just 15 minutes, it goes to the other state. When Samparka Kranti was announced, it was told that it passed, only stoppage will be given in that state. It is called as Karnataka Samparka Kranti, and after that state, any state, any Samparka Kranti state of the country, after that state, there will not be stoppage. It means that train you was meant only for
Nirmal Khatri.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. That train was meant for Karnataka, but after pressurizing, you are converted 2 days through via Hubli, Dharwad, Tumkur. But unfortunately, all the 5 days, those part of the Karnataka people need a regular train. I urge you, it is Karnataka.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I urge you to kindly change the route. Sir, finally, sir, and I had demanded 2 more trains. One is Hubli, Mumbai. I am demanding from 2004, sir. I have met you personally. Hubli Mumbai train. Hubli is called as Chota Mumbai. Hubli Mumbai train, kindly give it, sir. And Hubli Gulbarga. This is one more important demand of the Karnataka. Kindly do that, sir. Entire Karnataka, Hyderabad, Karnataka, and Mumbai, Karnataka. Connectivity is very important, sir. Lastly, sir, Hubli station, railway station, which is the Hubli Southwestern Railway headquarters. It was supposed to be completed by 2009-10, started by yourself in 2007, 6-7. But so far, just it is 22 crores project. It is yet to be completed. As per the plan, it was supposed to be completed on 2000.
Anyhow, he knows better.
So far,
he knows, your minister, he knows. Please.
So far, it is not done.
Khatri.
Kindly allocate further
Already you
one
highlighted,
for
please,
that.
China,
Lastly,
please. No, you give anything you discuss.
Sir,
You know,
sir, my last point, sir, one single point,
Minister
sir.
knows everything,
Sir.
what you want.
As far as Hubli workshop is concerned, recently this Boxanar tender, it is given to a ineligible tender,
No,
and
that's-
appears that there is a lot of corruption is going.
No, nothing will want regard.
माननीय सभापति महोदय,
Right.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, सबसे पहले
Brief.
मैं आपको, सर मैंने अभी तो शुरू किया है।
Just, 0 hour you want to take, that is why, please take.
सबसे पहले